Being from Virginia, data centers and artificial intelligence is a really hot topic. It's driving the need for new facilities. And there are a lot of people that question AI, and are there any negative impacts to AI? And I truly think that artificial intelligence is critically important. Not only are data centers driving our commerce and has really revolutionized the way that we do business, AI is bringing out additional advancements. I think AI is going to help transform the energy industry in several ways. One, it's going to allow us to integrate renewable energy resources by analyzing all the data from our distributed energy resources, how that energy is deployed in our system. It's going to help us with energy efficiency. As people better understand how they use energy, I think we're going to find better ways to conserve and utilize that resource. It's going to help us with preventive maintenance, as AI can take just these tremendous amounts of data on how our equipment operates, how our power stations operate, how the grid works. All of that data can be analyzed so much easier and quicker through the use of AI. Lastly, I think AI is going to really help us innovate. It's going to put parts together and connections that we never really thought of before. It's going to be really exciting to see how AI is going to help us really transform the energy industry.